Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to a Tuesdays in the Attic. I was all excited because I had some time to craft the other day and this layout took me probably 20 minutes using the Freaky Fest formula. I'm using one from January of 2020. 3 cuts, so it was a 7.5 by 12, 5.5 by 12, and a 4-inch circle. I was so excited to get it done, and then I realized I was not recording, so I apologize. All you get is a layout share. Like I said, I was so excited. I had one done, and I had time, and in the morning before I went to work, and nope. So I will just share with you what I made. What's super fun is I created this with the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags, a relatively new collection. And it is part of the Flavors of the Month kit for the scrap room this month. And so I have a layout coming out actually tomorrow that you'll see that I made with it first. But I did this is my 5.5 by 12 strip, was this beautiful paper with these hearts. It is called Packed and Ready, because the other side is suitcases. And then the 7.5 by 12 is this gorgeous green stripe, and this one is called Here and There. That is in the pattern paper add-on for the scrap room, so if you want to add that on to your subscription, or if you decide to order the kits, I will have that linked, the store linked down below. You'll see that on my design teams below, so you can see that. And then the other paper is called this cloud paper. Let me see if I can find it on here. I think it's Time to Travel. It had this cute little pink plane. I loved it. That's featured in my layout that you'll see it tomorrow. Also using the Freaky Fest formula for May this month from the scrap room. So that's super fun. But then I played with the 12 by 12 sticker sheet and got a bunch of fun stickers used up for embellishments, and then grabbed some washi tape just to add one more little element in there. It's a washi tape I've had for a while. I believe it's a Vicky Boone, actually. So it added that, and it matches quite well with the red hearts, but it just adds that extra element. So that is my layout. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully I will have some more process videos for you soon. We'll see you next time. Bye.